Hi, today I want to talk about the 3 top use cases for the integration suite from my perspective. So, what are 3 use cases? First one, enterprise application integration. Well, the scenario here is you want to connect and synchronize data between various enterprise applications such as your ERP, your CRM and your HR systems. The use case. You want to ensure that you have seamlessly communication and data consistency, of course, across different business applications. For example, you want to integrate your SAP S/4HANA with Salesforce to streamline your quote-to-cash process. Or, second one, you want to connect your SAP SuccessFactors with your ERP system, so you have synchronized your HR and finance data. Second use case, API management and digital transformation. Scenario, exposing, managing and securing APIs to facilitate the development of third-party applications and support the digital ecosystem and enable innovation. The use case here, you want to accelerate a digital transformation by opening up data and services through APIs. For instance, creating APIs for customer data to support mobile app development or opening APIs for partners to access specific functionalities, enhancing collaboration and innovation. This is possible with the API management from the integration suite. Third use case, hybrid cloud integration. The scenario, bridging on-premise and cloud-based systems to enable a seamless flow of data process across hybrid IT landscapes. The use case. You want to support your organization in the journey to the cloud by integration cloud applications with existing on-premise systems. This could involve connecting SAP ECC with SAP cloud applications or integrating SAP S/4HANA with other cloud-based services for end-to-end business process. These are only 3 of many scenarios you can do with the SAP integration suite. I hope you gained some insights on the use cases. Hope you have fun during development. Goodbye and see you next time.